Welcome to Let's Weave Beads. Here I have the last cleanup practice pattern. I'll be going over it with you today. I do recommend that you first watch the previous cleanup videos before this one. I will be putting links to them in the description so that you can go and check them out. Now this one kind of incorporates everything we've done so far. Here is the original design. As you can see, the center is kind of oval, so we will want to make the center a little circular. The other thing is for what's important is the center and then the gray outline throughout the piece. And then for the least important, it would be the background, which is the dark pink. So if we need to go into another color, it is best if we do it into the dark pink. So to begin, I want to make the center a little more oval, so what I did was go into the gray here because we're going to want to single up these grays, so it is okay to take away from the gray here. So here I have dotted the ones that I want to make red, and then of course I colored them in, and this is how it looks, much more circular than when we first converted it. Then the next thing I did, of course, is to follow the gray. Now of course for some people it will look a bit cluttered, but you just find the gray and follow it, and anytime you see, like here where it's not connected, then you would just need to decide whether you're going to go to the left or right, because both of these are the dark pinks. You can use either one. I went to the left on this one, and then again here I went to the left. And then because it's symmetrical, you just copy whatever you do over here, you just copy it over here. So simple geometrical designs like this can be nice in that way because you just do the same thing on both sides. Then we come down a little further. Now this pink here, you can leave it just as it is, or I preferred to make it just the 3 beads. I liked that better, so I made this one gray. And then because I made this one gray, I made this one dark pink. Also, I didn't want this whole line connected because, as you can see in the original, it's not connected to each other, so we wanted some dark pink in between that. So we wanted to break up this gray anyways, so I made this a gray and then made this one and this one dark pink. And you can see that here we have our 2 grays as we're coming down on the left side, and then here we made that gray and these 2 dark pink. And then of course along here we want to make this a one straight line, so I of course used the dark pink to the left of it all the way down. That pretty much covers the whole pattern because this stuff we did up here we can just copy on the bottom. The black I didn't change anything. This here I didn't change, or here. So we've got this gray line here done, and then over here on this side we did. So that took care of here. And along this side here, and as you can see, it separated the gray so it's not touching each other. Now there's one last part, which is the center here. Right here we want to make the gray connect, and because it is the center, I did both sides, and then that connected the gray coming down the center. And there's my dots. And then the completed. So this is how the completed came out, and of course It is the one that I used in my piece here, and you can see how it looks in all three colors beaded up. If you have any questions, need any help with cleanup, please leave comments. I'll be more than glad to help you any way that I can. Happy beading!